Good morning, class here. After a long gap, we will be here on our video class. Today, we are going to study fourth chapter of history. I think we have written chapter number third of history also. So, look at your copy and find out that chapter number 3 a question answer is completed or not. If not, then anyone can send me the message that chapter number 3 is not completed. I will send you. Thereafter, today we are going to start chapter number 4 of history, tribal decoys and the vision of a golden age. Tribal decoys and the vision of a golden age. Tribal. The meaning of tribal in Hindi, Adivasi. Adivasi means the original inhabitants. Beta, I am going to describe the term tribal and Adivasi in Hindi. That Adi means प्राचीनतम और वासी मीन्स निवास करने वाले मीन्स प्राचीन काल में जैसे लोग अज्ञानतापूर्ण तरीके से निवास करते थे वैसे ही कुछ प्रजातियां आज भी निवास करती हैं अपने देश में जिसको हम ट्राइबल्स कहते हैं। क्या कहते हैं बेटा? ट्राइबल्स। व्हाट? ट्राइबल्स। they are also called natives. Their lifestyle resembles to that of our own ancient forefathers. Whatever the lifestyle they adopted, that is same as the lifestyle of our forefathers. Forefather means Purvaj, who lived thousands of years ago in the forests. And our forefathers also lived in the forests. That's why they are named as Adivasi or tribal. This is the reason by which the term Adivasi or tribal is opted. In India, there are various tribal societies exist in different part of the country. In different part of our country, several tribal societies are existed. During the British rule, their lives were affected by the changes. Whenever the British ruled over here, they had made different types of rules which affect different. They had made several changes, and those changes made the life of the affected the life of the Adivasis, tribals. Clear? Now in this chapter we will have to study all about those changes and their impacts. In this chapter we are going to study about those changes whatever made by the Britishers and what are the impacts of those changes on the tribals. Till the end of the 15th century, the tribals of India led a free life governed by them. When the 15th till the end of the 15th century, The tribals live their life freely and their life fully governed by them, not uh, by the Mughals or sultans. No, their lives governed by themselves. There is no ruler over to them. They were not divided into different categories. There are no division of categories in them on the basis of caste, religion, or gender. And they the and the limit of their lives were spread only in the forests. Spread only in the forests. During the rule of the sultans of Delhi, during the rules of the sultans of Delhi and the Mughal emperors, the forest areas were cleared for the purpose of cultivation, urbanization, and migration of people. Hence, it affected the lives of the tribals. It means that during the Sultanate period, after that Mughal period, and after that the British period, when the Britishers ruled over here, they were cleared the forests for the purpose of cultivation, for the purpose of urbanization. Urbanization means Saharikaran, and for the purpose of migration of peoples. That's why it affected the life of the tribals, Adivasis, because because their lives depend depended in the forests, and when the forests were cleared by uh, several rules, several authorities, then they were forced to establish themselves in some other places. Okay, beta, thank you. Tomorrow we will study about tribal societies under the British rule. We will be regular from today, and it focused your study. Good luck. Thank you.